Hi everyone, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our gold price weekly forecast gold today. If you are new for this video, just let me drag your attention to the fact that we do have a full free membership. It's in fact a Telegram room, and when you are registered to this Telegram room, you will be able to follow up with us on the market updates which we do post and broadcast on daily basis almost. Moving on to the gold weekly performance. On the last trading session of Friday, gold spot printed a closing price little above $1,958 per ounce. Numbers rounded and the market is closed. And on the last week, gold traded as low as $1,910 per ounce and as high as $1,966 per ounce. Gold is trading in a bull trend. It's at the moment above its all daily symbol moving averages, a little below the 20 days daily symbol moving average. And for the RSI readings, it's moderate on all the charts. And let's say there's no worries on this side. Moving on to the support levels, it's 1930. If broken, they will come 1910, then 1870, and resistance levels, it's 1961, 1980, and $2,002. The pivot on the weekly chart, 1944, and on the daily chart for the last trading session, it's located at 1955. Both will act as immediate support. That's all for numbers. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming week and from the United States, the markets are waiting for the retail inventories and the goods trade balance on Monday, then CB consumer confidence on Tuesday, and the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate to be released on Friday. That's all for numbers. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast Gold today. If you are new for this section of the video, just let me guide you how this works. We're going to start with a quick recap, then we will examine the US dollar chart and we will have a look at the gold chart, and we will arrive at the most suitable trading idea for the upcoming week. Starting with a quick recap, on the last week we have been looking actually for gold to sell up to 1870, providing that it breaks 1910. However, gold found a support ahead of 1910, and we did not get to see 1870 yet. Starting with the US dollar chart, I am bullish on the US dollar. I've been saying this like for more than almost like a year or so far. Let's say it's been a year since I became bullish about the US dollar, and I have a case for that. It's a fundamental case. Basically, you have a shift in the monetary policy, which was taking place actually from the last year. We are expecting the Federal Reserve Bank to increase the interest rate, and we are seeing also the economy of the US is outperforming the other economies of the major countries in the world, which is a very good case for the US dollar. So basically, the US dollar, in my opinion, it has to keep moving up to 103. From there, we can tell if we have reached a top, or we could go further to the upside. Moving on to the gold chart. For gold, gold, not in my opinion, in technicalities, in all the time frames, it's bearish. On the 4 hours time frame, there is a head and shoulder almost completed. On the daily chart, there is a double top. On the weekly chart, also on the daily chart, it's a bear flag. On the weekly chart, there is an evening star. So this is a bearish technicality, technical wise, okay, but this market is not listening to the technicalities. What I wanted to tell you is that at the end of the day, the technicalities will outperform the fundamentals. The market has to do the technicalities, but from now till then, the market has a room to maneuver. So I do believe that if gold can find acceptance above 1963, it's going to move up to 2000. From there, I think we will start to see some sort of a nice correction, maybe up to 1820, because that's the bottom for gold for the move that we have seen previously. So if it holds 1963, even with the closing better, I will go with it up to 2000, and from 2000 I think you can see a good opportunity for a sell. That's all for me for this week. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for being with us all this time. Please share, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to look for the link for our free Telegram room on the description of this video.